In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your Android smartphone to record your calls. So if you want to keep all your call records for a particular period of time, it is pretty much simple to activate this on your Android smartphone. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your phone contact, and you can simply do this by tapping on this phone icon. So if I go ahead and tap on it, it will list all my contacts. Now go ahead and tap on these ellipses here, and then go ahead and tap on settings. And then this will open your call settings. Scroll down until you see an option called call recording, and here it is. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see here under recordings, delete recordings is set to never. So to go ahead and set a specific period of time under which you want to record your phone calls, go ahead and tap on this and then select the number of days. For instance, you can say you want to record or you want to save call recordings for the last 14 days. If you want to do so, just go ahead and tap on this 14 days. And then you're told here recordings more than 14 days old will be deleted. So to confirm this option, go ahead and tap on confirm. And now you see your phone will be recording each and every call that you make or receive for the next 14 days. And here you see your phone will be recording all the conversations that you have, all the outgoing and the incoming calls on your smartphone. And this information will be stored on your phone for 14 days, upon which it will be automatically deleted and replaced with the latest one. So you have to know that if you don't have enough space, then call recording will be suspended on your phone. And as you can see here, call recordings will be stored on your device for the number of days you have specified. So that's how you can set to record all your calls on your Android smartphone. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.